everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place, and I am here with a couple hauls. I haven't done a haul in a long time, and I've gotten quite a few things in, and so I thought I would just show you what I've purchased lately. I've got some weddings coming up and anniversaries and stuff like that, and kids that have just gotten cars and everything, or just got their license, and I thought these are some products that I could use, and I ordered a few online exclusive items that are available right now online. So I wanted to share them with you. Alright, this is Here's to Love, and it's a wedding stamp set, and I thought I could make some wedding cards with this. This is also on the clearance rack. The while supplies last, it was on sale for $9.60. So if that's something you would like to purchase, you can hop on over there. I don't know how long it's going to be there. I just grabbed it. This is Classic Wedding, and it comes with the car and the dies, and but I'm going to also use it besides wedding. I plan on using this in different ways for kids that are just getting their license and stuff like that. And there's like 6 of them, boom, 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 in my family right now. So I thought it would be fun to send them a little card and do stuff like that. It also comes with dies. I should open that up and let you see. So it comes with little dies, and I think this is cute. I love the little tin cans on the back of the car. So I got that set. And then let's do these. This is these are the Archway dies. They just came back in stock, and I saw it and I quickly snacked them up. So if you were one that was waiting for these or had these on your list with me, grab them now. I didn't get the stamp set that went with it for when they first came out. I'm gonna get the next one that is in the online exclusive, but they didn't have, these weren't available when I ordered the online exclusive stuff, and now these were available and I didn't order the stamp, so now I gotta go back. It's on my list. But anyways, yeah, so I have a lot of fun things I want to make with these. Some fun cards and different things, so keep your eye out for them, future videos. And then I bought these hearts, and I've got a couple wedding / anniversary cards that I have ideas to make with these. So I bought this bundle also. So we'll see future videos for that. Now this is a whole online little bundle that I bought. There's a suite that comes with paper and some ribbon and different things. But I did not order that. I ordered the bundle and then the paper separately. But you can order it all as a great big suite if you want the gems, the ribbons, and all that stuff too. But it comes with the mask, so I'll have fun making some cards with the mask. I know there's a lot of my customers out there that enjoy that, so you'll have the mask that goes with it. And then it comes with these flowers. I'm not 100% sure what any of these are. The only thing, I think this looks like a hydranium. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think these are hydradians. I have no clue what this is. I don't know. It's a pretty flower. I'm not a flower, but I love them. So maybe if you know, let me know. Yeah. And so you get those, and then you get these dies with it. So you get all these dies, different flowers and dies with it, which is a really nice, sweet little bundle. So there's that bundle, and then they have this beautiful paper that I have not even opened yet. Let me see. I should have done this beforehand. I tried to have everything opened and ready, and I didn't think of this. Okay. I don't like to pull it all the way out of the pack because I don't have another thing I put it in. I leave it right in this. So I'm just going to pull it a little ways out, and I'll just bend the paper so you can see the paper. So you get some black and white. Oh, that's pretty. And then some green with flowers. I like that they give you some black and white on the back. Oh, that's beautiful. Big print. That would be nice just on a card with just a grading. Oh, yeah. And then they give you some color, too. This is really pretty. That'd be pretty for scrapbooking paper if you're going to do a, like, garden photos or something. That one's very nice. Oh, are these Black Eyed Susies? I don't know what they are. I shouldn't guess because I have no clue. Oh, these are pretty. I like how great for like when you need an image that you have a lot of flowers like or item close together when you're doing a certain card or something. Oh yeah. And this is another big one that you can just cut it out. I don't know. I wonder if the dies might even fit on some of these. I don't know. Maybe not. I haven't tried it out, but very, very, very pretty paper. So I got that paper, and then for my scrapbookers in my life that come and do a scrapbooking class with me, this is one of their birthday current scrapbooking kits. I don't know if you saw my page that I snapped on my Create With You Facebook page. I showed you a ton of pictures in this bin that I have to scrapbook, and some of them were birthday. So I'm like, oh, so I'm glad I got this. This is the directions for it all. But even if you don't scrapbook, this paper is wonderful and you can make some wonderful cards with it. So the paper itself, and you can buy just the paper pack. There are some papers in this kit that are exclusive to the scrapbooking kit. This is the back side. That'd be great in a baby album too. And then you got, this is the front. You get 2 sheets of this. And then this is the back side. And then you get this. And oh, then you get the back side. That's pretty. And then, let's see. This doesn't have a back side. So you get this. And then this one doesn't have a back side. You get this. And then these are the mats, like the mats or the photo mats that they have you do. And then they give you some Whisper White, a couple sheets of that you need. There's 4 sheets. So, and then look at these jumbo cutouts to make a quick, easy card even. So even if you didn't use these in a scrapbook page, blow out the candles. I mean, that would be cute on a page. And then they give you all these borders and leaves and stuff in this kit. And then you have your sticker page. So, I mean, it's a lot of, I mean, I do scrapbooking anyways, but I think this would be a great kit if you did not scrapbook. So, and then they give you your photo mats. I just wanted to show you what one of the kits, well, at least what the birthday kit looks like. You never know. You know, the scrapbooking is something new Stampin' Up! Is doing. So, like with everything, things change, things, you know, get better. They listen to their customers. They listen to their demonstrators. So, if you feel it doesn't lack something, not enough, you know, let your demonstrator know. And then your demonstrator can let them know. So, yeah. So that's the birthday scrapbooking kit. Now this is all my Stampin' Up! Stuff that I ordered. I recently just put in an order because I'm not going to be a demonstrator or anything, but I can give you a link to somebody that does sell this if you're interested in. But I am gotten to in some Creative Memories. I used to sell Creative Memories years and years and years ago, like probably about 23 years ago or so, before I even met my husband. And that's what all I did. I didn't do card making. And then I kind of got out of that, and I got into the card making, into Stampin' Up! And I still always ordered from Creative Memories different things, but I hadn't been back with them in a while, and so I said, you know what, I saw that they were back in business, because I had heard they'd gone out of business, but they're back in business. So I went ahead and I purchased some stuff, so that I could do more of my scrapbooking pages because I have lots of photos. At the current time, I think there's only maybe 4 kits in Stampin' Up's the online bundle. So there's 4 or 5 kits anywhere, and I've done all them, and I still want to expand, or they don't have the kit that I'm looking for. I'm definitely looking for some back to school kits, so I'm keeping my eye out for that when the new fall catalog comes out, so hopefully. So this is I've ordered a spring bundle, which is down a little bit farther here. I think it's this one. I ordered a spring bundle, and with the spring bundle, you got this watering can border cartridge. I don't have the thing you need to make this with, so I'm going to have to invest in that. And because it looks like when you order some of these all-exclusive bundles from them, you get one of these. So, yeah, that's going to be, I'll have to show you how that works when I get the right tools for it. But in the spring bundle, you get these borders, and you get a bunch of borders here. I think you get two each of all these borders. And then you get 3 sheets of stickers right here. Let me see. I haven't even opened it up. And I'm new, so I don't know what all you get. You get some more sticker borders. You get stickers here. And then you get these little sayings. Hello Sunshine, keep growing. So I thought these were really cute for their kit. And then you get the project sheet, and it tells you what everything, all their papers, how to lay them out and everything. And then you get the paper, and this is the paper pack for them. I don't know if their paper is double-sided or if it's just one. Let me see. Oh, it tells you. Yeah, it is double-sided. So it's definitely thinner than Stampin' Up's, but I think theirs also is recommended to go on to like a white cardstock, a 12 by 12 white cardstock, or they sell their pages that are with the little binds on them and you stick them in it. So that's probably why this isn't really thick, but absolutely gorgeous. I love this paper. It'll be great for Easter here when I get ready to be doing a bunch of Easter pages for all my Easter projects. Now I'm going to put all this back in here because this all goes together with the spring bundle. Okay. And then I saw this really cute project. I don't know what this is called. Project Recipe, National Scrapbook Day 2024. That's what this is for National Scrapbook Day. It's a 2-page spread. It comes with everything you need in this bundle. It comes with the directions. This is for spread 1 and 2. This is the cutting guide. Oh, spread 2 and spread 1 on back sides, and then the cutting guide comes with 1 sheet of these cute adorable little stickers, and then it comes with the cardstock to lay your pages on, and then it comes with the paper. So you get a 2-page spread. It's just a quick little 2-page layout with the stickers. It's not like, this is for page 1, how to lay it out and create it, and then you get page 2. So actually you get 4 pages out of this kit. So that was a fun little kit that I got. And then these were more for samplers, and these are more for beginners if you've never scrapbooked before and you want to know how it works for the different kits. And there's 3 different ones. I'll start with this is kit 1, and they are, I don't know, it looks like a birthday celebration one. And again, this just comes, I believe, with the paper and the directions. It doesn't come with any stickers or anything. I don't believe so. Oh no, I lied. It does. I lied. It does. It comes with your stickers. It comes with your paper, and it literally has the directions. Now this is for a beginner. Now every one of these kits do not come like this, but this is for a beginner scrapper that is learning how to use the big kits. And so it's telling you to cut these down. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's telling you how to cut it. And then it's got the different pages. This has already got some stuff on there. Very, very basic. And then you can, I guess, put all the other parts on and then add your stickers. And there you go. But I thought I wanted to check out their kits. And so this was kit 1. And that's how that one is. And then kit 2, I'll just put it up, tip it so you can see a little bit better. It kind of comes like this. And it does have a sticker sheet on the back. So then that is that kit. And then this is how kit 3 is. And it also comes with a sticker kit on the back. And then this was Networthy Sample Day page, I guess. I'm not really sure, but it looked like fun. And so that was that. And this is the stickers on the other side. So I have a bunch of random pictures and pages, and so I grabbed these. And yeah, I'll put that back in there in a minute. Some other things. Oh, this was in the spring kit too. You get this when the spring bundle. Let me see. Let me open it up. God, I don't want to rip it because I want to put it back in it, but it's tight. So you get these little things that you can add on, and if you didn't want to add them to your picture or your pages, you could make some cute cards out of these. So, but it came with the bundle, just to kind of show you some of them. But that, and then of course my favorite tool when I saw this, I was so excited about it. I talked about this in my last scrapbooking page layout I did video. These are to put over top of your photos so you know what size to cut your photo down, and you can position it. Let me see, I got a photo here. Let me grab a photo. So let me see. Okay, right here, this one will work. So say I didn't want all of this back here, or I needed a certain size photo. I could take and I could put this on here and say, okay, the 3.5 by 3.5 will work. And then there's a special pen that comes with it, which I didn't know when I ordered it, and so now I got the pen coming. But you would outline it and then you would just cut it down. Or maybe I want it more this way of her, so I have all of it. So it lets you see through, so you know what you're going to cut out. And then you got it like this way, 4 by 4. And then this is actually the whole picture, but maybe you have a bigger picture. Like maybe you have a 5 by 7 and you want to see what you can get out of it. And then this is a 5 by 3, so if you want to put it that way. And then this one is the 3 by 3. So it just shows you where you can cut it, and I absolutely love this little project. I'm sure and it comes either you could keep it in this little bag, or there is a little hook tool and they have little eyes so you can keep putting them on there. I just got done using them, so I haven't put them away, but that's where they go. And that is one of my favorite tools. And when I get some more items of stuff, I'll share it with you if you guys are interested. But yeah, that's my haul. That's my Stampin' Up! Creative Memory haul. And I just wanted to share it all with you. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.